Hey, hello friends, welcome to another video. In this project we are going to build a time attendance system with RFID reader and Arduino. When we swipe an RFID tag next to the RFID reader, it saves the user ID and time in SD card. It also shows if you are late or in a time according to preset hour and minutes. So let's make it. All the components required for this project is available in this single box, that is the most powerful starter kit for Arduino. I get this box from Conson Electronic, best online store for electronic components. Check description for more detail. For this project we need Arduino Uno, SD card module, MFRC522 RFID reader and tags, real-time clock module, 2 LED, 1 green and 1 red, couple of 220 ohm resistor, breadboard and jumper wires. In this project we are using the RFID reader. RFID means radio frequency identification. RFID uses electromagnetic field to transfer data over short distances, and it is useful to identify people, to make transactions and many more things. For more detail, check out my video on RFID reader with Arduino. Download this schematic from description and make circuit according to this schematic. The first step when using the SD card module with Arduino is formatting the SD card as FAT32 or FAT16. To format SD card, insert it in your computer. Go to this PC and right click on the SD card. Select format. A new window pop up. Select FAT32 Press start to initialize the formatting process. Before I upload the code, let me explain little bit about code. The code starts by importing the libraries MFRC 522 for the RFID reader, SD for the SD card module, and RTC LIB for the RTC module. We also include the SPI library for SPI communication with RFID and SD card module. After that, we define the pins for the RFID reader and the SD card module. Now we create a file called myfile to store our data. After then we create an instance for the RFID and for the RTC. We create a string variable that holds the UID tags. Then these following lines create a variables to define the check-in time, hour and minute. We also need to create variables to hold the user check-in hours. This variable will save the hours when the certain UID tag was read. These following variables hold the check-in hour and check-in minute. Now upload the code to your Arduino board. The instant I swipe the tag next to the reader, the red LED glows and buzzer beeps. This indicates that we are late because red LED glows. Same thing is also displayed in serial monitor, that is you are late, and this is a UID of tag. Let's check in the code why we are late. Here the preset check-in time is 15:30 and right now it is 15:36. That means we are checking out after the preset time. That's why we are late. Let's change the check-in time. Right now it is 15:36. Let me set it 15:40. Now check-in time is 15 minutes ahead of preset time. Let's see what will happen. So again upload this code. Now this time this green LED glows. That means we are in time. And here we also got a message that is you are welcome. And this one is the tag UID. You can also associate a name with each UID and display the username. To check the data saved on the SD card, remove it from the SD card module and insert it on your computer. Open the SD card folder and you should have a file called data with extension .txt. Open this file using a text editor. We have here tag UID with check-in time and date. Notice that each value is separated by commas. This makes it easier if we want to import this data to Excel or Google Sheet or any other data processing software. In this project, we have learned how to use an RFID card reader and the SD card module with Arduino. You can modify this project to your own needs, or you can use the functions created here in other projects that require data logging or reading RFID tags. You can take this project further and add a display to give extra feedback to the user. You can associate a name with each UID